hear me right? Just tell me if you can hear me. Okay. So today's session, we're gonna learn a little bit about what is digital marketing and how it is affecting the business. All right. So let's start. Okay. So what do you think is digital marketing? Is it only social media marketing, or is it, you know, uh, just Google Ads, advertisement? Let's let's see what is digital marketing. So I'm gonna explain you all what is digital marketing. All right. So let's see. So these are the stages of digital marketing. Okay, these are the fields of this digital marketing. So first we have online property, content, organic marketing, paid marketing, analytics, and others. Now, what are all these things? Let's learn one by one. Online marketing is online properties. I mean, online properties is nothing but, for example, let me give you one example. You have a product. Okay, now you want to market this product. For example, you have a phone. You want to sell this phone. For that, you have to market this phone. You need to let people know, okay, there is this phone and it's the best phone they can buy. So what do? You place it in a shop, right? Or you create one ad. Now online property is that platform where you can showcase your product, okay, or service, or your brand. Now online property, for example, is your website. Your website is called as online property. Why? Because it is your property, which is online, where you can showcase your products. All right. Your social media accounts, your social media pages, those are also online properties. Now once you have your product on your online, uh, like online property, so what do you do with that? You write about it, right? You just don't place the product, you just don't put the picture of the product, you also write about it or talk about it. So that is when content comes in. So now content follows certain rules. For content, we have keywords that we apply. All right. What are keywords again, you will ask me. So let me show you what are keywords first, so that you understand why content is important. All right. So now you want to buy one product. For example, you want to buy a phone. So what do? You go and search for a phone, right? So for example, you will just type best phones under 20, and you see all these items over here. Okay, you have few websites. These are like shopping websites where you can go and buy. All right, there are many websites. Now this one, best phones under 2000, becomes a keyword. So if you use this keyword, for example, if you go to this website They should have best phones under 20,000 written over here. Okay, this has the best. Mobile is not there in our keyword, but then it has best phones under 20,000. So that's why this is reflecting on top. All right. So now let's try another thing. Okay, not best phones, but best laptops maybe. And we can't get 20,000 laptops, so price and go for 40,000. So these websites which you can see over here, these website has this word written on their website. That's why their website is reflecting. So not only that, this is not only one of the parameter. There are multiple parameters to rank on top, but this is one of the top parameters. Like this word should be there inside your laptop. Okay, this is called your content. This is where content comes in. Okay, this is where content comes in. So content is a king, because if you don't have content in your online property, on your online property, then your website is waste. Like no one will see your product because it won't come on top. All right. Next is organic marketing. So once your content is ready, your product is ready. So what do? You start marketing it. Now there are different types of marketing. One is organic marketing, one is paid marketing. So what is organic marketing? Organic marketing is nothing but SEO. Okay, search engine optimization. Organic, what do you mean by organic? Organic means it's natural. All right, organic means you do it without spending any money. That is organic. So there are many strategies applied under organic marketing, so that they don't have to use any money to promote or brand, do the branding. Next comes paid marketing. This is the very people think paid marketing is complete digital marketing. It's not. Paid marketing is part of digital marketing. Now what comes under paid marketing? Anyone can tell me? Just text me, like comment on the section. Paid marketing, in the sense, first of all, for understanding paid marketing, you should understand what is marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is nothing but a communication. When you communicate something, that is when it is called as marketing. Now what is paid marketing? When you pay to communicate your message, that is called paid marketing. All right. So now what comes under paid marketing? So marketing, what comes under paid marketing? Paid marketing, under paid marketing, whatever you market using your money, that is paid marketing. Or in that also advertising comes in. Social media also comes under paid marketing, but one interesting thing about social media is it can also come under organic marketing. Why? Because social media, sometimes you need to use money, sometimes you don't need to use money to market your product or service. But you can also boost your marketing through paid marketing in social media. And another thing is advertising. Advertising is one of the common paid marketing strategies that you can use for your company. So, before going ahead, let's discuss what is brand marketing and what is branding. What is the difference between branding and marketing? As I have been using these words, let me tell you what is the difference between marketing and branding. So marketing is something, as I told you, it's a communication. Marketing is nothing but a communication. What is branding? What's the difference between branding and marketing? Uh, so for branding, I have a video here which I can play for you. It's a YouTube video only. So I'll just play a little bit of it. I'll not use the sound. So these are the brands that you recognize through their logos, right? So now branding is nothing but when you talk about your business using certain elements. It can be a logo, it can be a word, or it can be a color or a shape. So by using those elements when you talk about your business, that is called branding. Okay, branding is nothing but talking about your business, and whereas marketing is nothing but when you talk about your product or service. So we have covered this organic and paid marketing. So let's go ahead and understand further what is paid marketing. As I told you, advertisement is the bigger part of paid marketing. So let's understand what is advertisement. Okay, so whenever you think about ads, everyone must be thinking about Google Ads. So we will understand Google Ads and how it helps business owners. Okay. First, first thing that Google Ad helps us is with the campaign type. There are different types of campaigns: search, performance max, display, shopping, video, discovery. These are the different types of campaign we can write. Now, what do you mean by campaign? When I say campaign, campaign is nothing but when something runs for some time, it's called campaign. It's for a longer period of time. Campaign is if you're running one ad online, so you will not run it for only one day, right? One day will not give you enough reach. You will not able to reach people enough in one day. So you have to run it for few days. So that means campaigning for few days. So we have different types like search, display, shopping, video, discovery. What is search campaign? Okay, so I'll show you few example. I was searching for this best laptops under 40,000, right? So what am I seeing? Ads. All right, I can see ads over here, ads over here, and maybe let's search for digital marketing courses only. So this is one of the ad, this is another ad, this is another ad, and down we see few more ads. One, two, two. Actually we get three ads. Now we are seeing only two ads. So what do you understand by these ads? These ads are nothing but search ads. All right, what are search ads again? So whatever you see under Google search engine, it is called search ads. We have 4 plus 3, 7 ads there. Next, just hold on, guys. So search ads, as you have seen, search ads had 4 and 3. Now these 4 and 3 are also like, how do they decide? Google decides the position, like first, second, third, fourth, and the last. How do they decide? So there are certain parameters to decide on these ads ranking as well. So one, two, three, four, and below you can see 1 2 3. Now you are seeing 2, but usually you will see 3. So there are few parameters, for example, your content, how you're writing, and the bidding strategies. There are many bidding strategies that you have to decide on: how much money, pay per click, ppc, and also the quality of your page that you are showing here. You can see this page, Chennai Digital Marketing. So if I get inside this, they take us to a landing page. This is nothing but a landing page. All right. So the quality of this page also decides the rank of your ad. So there are various factors through which Google comes up and shows the relevant ads to us. Next, if you see, next is there is a new one that came up. It is called Performance Max. Okay, we'll not get into it because it is a very new thing where they try to make the performance of your ad high. They give you high value customers across all the Google networks. Okay, but what we will see is the display ads. What are display ads? Display ads are nothing but when you see any ad which has a picture and something written, and a CTA button, that is call to action button. That is when you see, that is what is display ads. So we'll see few examples of display ad here. If I go to Yahoo Mail, see this one. Are you seeing this ad by HDFC Bank? This is nothing but display ad. It has a picture, a headline, description, and CTA. This is called call to action button, where you have to click and go to the page. All right, this is display ads. Next, we have shopping ads. I think you have already seen shopping ads, but let me show you again. What were you searching for? Best phones and 20. Okay, so exactly, this is the shopping ads. Okay, you can go inside the shopping section and also see here. Here are few ads which also has ranking, and it has a position given. So these are shopping ads. Next is video ads. What are video ads? Is it only YouTube videos we are talking about here? No, it's not only YouTube. So this video ad helps us place our advertisement not only on YouTube, but various other websites as well. If you get into any of the news channel website or travel agency website, you can see, like, right side or below, somewhere on the bottom or on top, you will see few videos running, and under that you will see ad written. That is video ad. So it captivates customers with sight, sound, and motion on YouTube and other connected TVs. All right. Next is discovery ad. What is discovery ad? Not, I don't think so many people know about discovery ad. Discovery ad is nothing but when you open your phone, Google search engine on your phone, You will see discovery written right below, bottom left corner. You will see discovery written there. So whatever ads you see there, that is called discovery ad. Okay, so what are the benefits of these ads? Like, what do you get out of these ads? What does a business owner gets by placing these ads online? First is cost and ROI. Obviously, like, if you compare traditional ads, or if you see a few banner ads, for example, or newspaper ads, so these ads cost you a lot, whereas online digitally, if you try to advertise, so it costs you way less than what it costs traditionally. So here, there it gives you a huge benefit, because you can also decide how much you want to pay. That option is also there. According to your budget, you can put an ad. Okay, and obviously ROI is high, because we have huge audience and the market is really high. Next is high level control and manage. For example, if you put an ad in a newspaper, uh, uh, for example, you made a mistake in writing something, or there is a spelling mistake, can you go and change? You can't, right? But here you have the control. You can change. If you are going wrong, you can optimize. You can also change the target audience that you want. Like, for example, you want to target certain area, you want to target only males, but later you decide that no, I don't want to target only males, I also want to target females. So you can go and change. So optimization is very much possible in online digital advertisement. Fast results. So one click result, as I tell my everyone, one click result is nothing but you get the results and you see the results very fast, because it reaches people very fast. It just by one click, you can reach thousands and lakhs of people. So obviously, if you reach fast, you get the result faster. Level competitions. So competition here, uh, as you know, people say you shouldn't compete with anyone, but here we compete in digital marketing. This is one thing that's opposite from life, is we compete. So there is a level competition. Next is local advertising. Local advertising, in the sense, like, if you have a shop, now you can actually ask people to come to your shop. Or if you want to target only the area around your shop, 100 meters or 100 uh, 1 kilometer radius, you want to target people who are under 1 kilometer radius around you, so you can even target those people. So that kind of optimization is available there. Next, increases brand awareness. Obviously, if reach is high, your awareness will also be high, so that is a given. Targeting, as I told you, you can target the right person at the right time. But the next two things, remarketing and analytics, these are the most useful, I think, benefits of these ads. First, let us understand what is remarketing. I feel remarketing is very interesting subject, so I'll quickly explain you in short what is remarketing. Remarketing is a process of targeting customers that already visit your site or showed interest in your product. So, I think everyone has faced that. You have gone somewhere, example, you might have gone to Amazon and tried to order something, but later you decided you didn't want to buy that product. So you came back to Facebook and started scrolling down. There you see the ads of the product that you have searched for. So how is that happening? That is happening with the help of remarketing. Literally, you know, uh, they are placing a tag around you and it is following you everywhere. That is remarketing, like which follows you wherever you go. But how it works? Okay, before understanding how it works, let me first make you understand what is first party data. First party data is nothing but when someone comes on your website. You have a website and one person, for example me, I'm coming to on your website and I'm scrolling. So they get those data, the IP address, or if I'm filling up any form, I'm giving my details. For example, I am writing my name, I am writing my email address, phone number. So these all data they are collecting. So these data, this my data becomes the first party data. All right, so this is first party data. But how it works, let us understand. Cookie based remarketing. There are two types of remarketing. One is cookie based, another is custom audience. Now, what is cookie based? Cookie based is nothing but, as I told you, they place a tag or you can say a code. One, as soon as you come inside the website or click on a product or maybe place it in your cart, they immediately, the website immediately places a tag or code along with your IP address. So what happens is it follows you wherever you go. So like a hush puppy, it follows you everywhere. Similarly, this code follows you everywhere wherever you go, and based on your search, it uh, remarkets. It shows you the products that you were searching for, so that you can go back and buy the product. Another thing is custom audience. Custom audience is nothing but first party data gathering, such as email address and phone numbers of those who will be targeted with a specific ads. So they collect the first party data, as I have discussed. I told you what is first party data. Those people, like the websites, they collect all those and give you the specific ads using those data. All right. So this is remarketing. How does it help? How does it help? Sometimes people are very indecisive and they don't know, they know what they want, but then sometimes we need to push them, you know. So this is where remarketing helps, pushing people or helping them decide. Okay, so that was about remarketing. Now let's talk about Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics? Everyone knows what is analytics, to analyze something, and you must have even heard about Google Analytics. But what is analytics and how it helps us, helps the business? So we will see what is analytics. Let me take you to the dashboard first. Okay, so this is the analytics dashboard. But what are you seeing over here? Lot of numbers, graphs, and something written over here. It's everywhere. But no, there's a very interesting, I would say, tool that you have, which is for free. Anyone can use this tool. First, let me show you. We have few different, things over here. So if you can see here, GA4 and UA. These are the two main things that we have, that is GA4 and UA. UA is Universal Analytics and GA4 is Google Analytics 4. GA4 is uh, comparatively very new, but it's not very it's actually very similar to UA, that is Universal Analytics. Analytics is relatively old. So let's understand what is UA and what it provides us. All right. So this is the home section. Under home, you see users, revenue, conversion rate, and sessions. So first, let me explain you who are the users. Okay, users are nothing but who comes to your website, on your website, who visits your website. Your traffic is your user. Okay, so it is showing 9.89 t is nothing but 1000. Okay, 9.8 thousand. And if you're wondering what is this red mark 24.3%, it is comparing. It is saying that 24.3% you has decreased. The traffic has decreased by 24.3%. Revenue is if you are selling anything on your website, then it will also give you the total revenue over here. Conversion rate, what is conversion? First of all, conversion in the sense when you place any event, for example, you are uh, putting a form where you're asking people to fill up their name, phone number, or email address, or write a message and send it to you. If someone is doing that, conversion happens. That is one of the conversion type of conversion, for example. So next is sessions. What is session over here? So session is nothing but uh, see, now I am on this Gadget 360 website, right? I will be scrolling down, but in between I remember something and I'll go to this another Google search engine. Maybe I will be searching for something, and I will spend here for around 30 minutes. I will be here. Okay, now in this 30 minutes, I completely forget about this 360 that I was going through this website. But suddenly I remember that okay, I left this in between. Let me go back and read some more and search few products here. So that I came back after 30 minutes. So Google counts this as my second session. My first session is immediately when I entered this website. My second session happens when I come back, I go somewhere and come back after 30 minutes. But if I come within 30 minutes, that will be counted as only one session. So if you see, always the sessions will be higher than users. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Let's go ahead. So here you will also get real time. Let's go and see real time. It's pretty interesting. See, right now. What do you mean by right now? Right now, how many people are there on your website? It is showing 13. Now, these 13, out of this 13, how many are using desktop, how many are using tablet, and how many are using mobiles? Okay, and where are they? Where are they? Like one, how many people are, like around four are on my home page, one is on this page, another one is on this page, like Total 13. And where are they from? Which place? Which location? Okay, so we can actually see the locations over here. And if someone new comes up, it comes as a green light, not orange light. Okay, so total I have, oh, from Hyderabad also someone is seeing me. So it's pretty interesting, isn't it? This is real time, but there are many more that we get. We can understand audience with the help of analytics. Now many people ask me, like, how do I understand my audience, and how do I know whom to target? So analytics is one of the tool that will help you target. So let's see the audience section overview. First of all, you should understand, as I told you, the sessions are more than users. All right. Now, from where this session is happening, from where people are coming. So we can see country: United States, India, Canada, UK, Japan, Taiwan. All right. So this will make you understand from where your traffic is coming, and what you can cater according to the country from where they are coming. Obviously Indians are a little bit different than United States, right? Their needs and their likes, the colors they like, so it's a little bit different. So if you are getting traffic from United States, maximum traffic from United States, so you have to speak their language, you have to uh, target them, you have to optimize your website according to the audience who are coming from United States. But then again, if your website is, you have prepared this website to target only Indians and not United States, so you should understand that then there is a problem over here. You need to, your focus is not right. You have to go and optimize your website accordingly. If you are only if you only want to target Indians and not United States, so you should immediately go and change it. Let's go ahead and see the cities. So you can go cities from India. Maximum traffic you are getting from Hyderabad. So again, you understand them. You should understand Hyderabadi people and their needs. Next is which browser they use. So why is this important? Why is knowing the browser important? Uh, Let me tell you one thing. When you go to Chrome has its own algorithm. All right, algorithm in the sense, it has its own policies, you can say. Uh, and Safari has its own. Now, if you are ranking for Chrome, you might not rank for Safari. uh, if your website is coming on top for this keyword, okay, this is imagine that gadgets.ndtv is your website. Okay, so for this particular keyword, this is ranking on top. Okay, but for Safari it might not rank, it might not come on first. So you have to see, maximum people are using Chrome, but also you are also getting uh, audience from Safari. So you have to go and see where you are ranking. If you are not ranking, you have to understand Safari's algorithm and optimize your website accordingly. All right, that's why browser, knowing the browser is important. Next is operating system: Windows, Android. This, why is this important again? Obviously, every uh, has their own speed, has their own dimension. So you have to be really, really careful that if it is Windows and Android, then they should be able to see everything aligned. So every element on your website should be aligned properly. So if you go to, now here if you are also seeing mobile, okay, operating system, we'll go to operating system. So mobile also has a different dimension, and for Android, for iOS, it's different. You don't see the same thing, right? So it is very important to know where are they coming from. Android and iOS users are more, especially if you are like app company, like if you have an app, then you should consider this, because not everyone is using Android, not everyone is using iOS. So your app should cater both Android and iOS audience. Okay. And the screen resolution also, this is also very very important. Nothing on your website, no element of your website should get out of the screen. So this is very very important to note down from maximum. Obviously you will not go through all 10 resolution, but at least first 3 you have to go and check if your website is seen right for these resolutions. Okay. Next, let us go to cohort analysis. Cohort analysis tells you how many people are returning back. See, on 24th December, if these many 950 users are there, have new users, these are new users, if 950 new users have come on your site, are they coming back again? Okay. So this tells you how many people are coming back on the day 1. Day 0 is the first day. So day 1, like this is on 25th, only 2.2% people returned. Okay, 0.63%, and then 1.5%. This will also tell you if your remarketing is working or not. All right. So remarketing is what? You ask people to come back to your website, right? This tells you if people are coming back to your website or not, and if they are, how many of them are coming back. Is a very interesting map. It's called cohort analysis. Next, let us understand demographics. Why is demographic important? As I have discussed earlier, so knowing your audience is very, very important, and targeting your audience is very, very important. So, how do you do that? Obviously, by seeing the result. Now, 38.1% is female users, and 61.9% is male users. N- For example, you have one website which has only women products, okay, but you are getting maximum male users. So what do you understand by that? You understand that there is something wrong. You are not targeting the right person, right? So you go and optimize accordingly. Like, what you have to understand, what is going wrong. Maybe the content is not right. Maybe the content that you are writing is not targeting females, so you go and optimize. So that's why this is very very important. You understand what is going right as well as what is going wrong. Okay, the age. Here you can see the age, but let me show you from overview only. It will be more easier for you to understand. Age 18 to 24, 25 to 35, 35 to 44. It is divided like that. But here you are getting maximum users from 25 to 34 years of age people. 25 to 34 years. But what if you are targeting only teenagers? You are not targeting this section 25 to 34. Your product don't belong to these people, but the maximum users. That means again something is wrong. You're not targeting the right audience. But if you think that 25 to 34 is right age for your website, then that means your website is doing really well. You don't have to worry about it. Similarly, interests. So whenever you go and try to target your audience for advertisement, especially ads advertisement, there is one section where they will ask the interest of your audience. So how do you understand the interest of your audience? If everything is going right over here, analytics, if you're targeting the right audience according to age and age, then you can consider these interests. So few of them loves shopping, they love searching about technology. Here they are searching for employment, they are searching for apparel and accessories. And another category, they are searching for arts, entertainment, and etc. Arts and entertainment, this is the highest search. Uh, People who are interested in arts and entertainment. So what do you understand by this? This is nothing but this helps you target your right audience. Mainly I would say this is helpful when you go and put an ad, try to run any ad online. Okay, this section helps you out to understand your audience. All right. And then we have many other things like behavior of your audience, like if they're coming back, if they're not coming back, and the session quality. We'll see even that. So sessions are like 7420, session quality 1, 2 to 5 times how many have returned, 1 to 1 3, 6 to 20 times how many have returned back, 21 to 50, 51 to 100. So this also helps you in remarketing again. Next, let us get into acquisitions or user flow. User flow, we will understand what is user flow. See, this literally shows you where your audience are moving, which pages they are moving towards. So they are coming, most of them, as we have seen in the geography about our audience there, where are they coming from, which country they are coming from. Maximum of them are coming from United States. Now where are they going? First, where are they going? They are going to, most of them are going to home page. Okay. And others are, maximum they are coming to other 100 pages. So if we expand this, we will know where are they going. So but let's not get into this. First let's go and get into home. So if we take our cursor here, there you will see 1.8k people are there, traffic has come, and 3k drop offs in the sense bounced off, bouncing, it's called bouncing in the sense they came to home section and then they just left it. Drop offs are 62.3%, which is like really high. That means it will tell you that if your home page is working or not, or you have to optimize your home. Maybe your home page is not attractive enough, that's why it is showing the drop off percentage is really high. But where are they going, like the rest of the people, where are they going? Maximum people are going to this place. But I don't want to expand it right now, I will just get into Google Plus Red. Okay, they are going to this page. So 284 through traffic, that means 284 has gone to another page, and 103, almost half, not complete half, but 26.6% is a drop off again. So this will actually tell you if people are hooked on this, or on your website, on your page, or they are just dropping off. So if your drop off rate is high, that means that you are not able to attract your audience correctly. So, now you have to decide, you have to go and test, do some testing and see which is working, what is not working, and what is working. Okay, next let's quickly jump into acquisitions. Acquisitions tells you where are your user coming from. Direct is when they directly come to your website. They type your domain name, or uh, they directly come in through Google search engines. Next is paid search. Paid search is nothing but, as I told you, paid marketing. Okay, when you do paid marketing and you select a campaign as search campaign, then that is called paid search. So how many people are coming from paid search? So maximum are coming from direct, which is good. Like organically, if you are able to attract audience, it is really good. But now you have, if paid search is not on second position and it is somewhere on fifth position, then that should be a matter of concern. That means that your ad is not working. So you need to check your keywords, your also what you're writing, your headlines and other stuff. You need to go and check why your search, paid search, is not working. Maybe your bidding strategy is not working. So you have to go and analyze similarly. Next is display. Display is display ads, affiliates. We will discuss later. Sometime, maybe next video, I will come up with what is affiliate marketing and how can we use affiliate marketing to monetize our website. Okay, and the referrals. Referrals also I will make you understand later sometime. Okay. So next we have Google Ads. You can directly connect your Google Ads to this analytics. You don't have to actually go to Google Ads and see the analyze from there, but you can directly come. I don't think so. Mine is connected right now. Otherwise, I would have shown you. But Google Ads is one of the main tool that you can use for your business. It's free, so you don't have to worry about that. Next is behavior. Behavior is nothing but, as we have seen in home page also, behavior is nothing but where are they going. Okay, we have a chart, also we have numbers written, like how many page views you have got, unique page views, time on page, matlab average time on each page they have spent, so which is 46 seconds. It's very very less. Average time on page should be around 2.5 seconds, but it is 46 seconds, which is less. So again, go and optimize. Next is bounce rate, 46.60. Now bounce rate is something very interesting. Bounce rate 46.60 will not tell you anything. You have to understand the complete graph when you try to understand bounce rate. Now for example, if someone is going to your blog page, they are reading and they are bouncing off. They are not going anywhere, which is actually is fine. Obviously you want them to go to some service page or anything, but something, but it's okay if people are bouncing from your blog page. But if people are bouncing off from your service page, they are not going and calling you or going and submitting their form, then you should understand that there is some kind of problem over there. Maybe the services are not attractive enough, so you go and change. So for this you cannot conclude anything with this percentage here. Now percentage exit is another part we will study later. Next is conversions. Under conversions we have goals. Now what are goals? So if you see here, there are few goals that are set, okay, and there is a name given, completion location given. Goals are nothing but, if you can imagine something like a funnel, okay. So let me draw something for you. Okay, let's understand this funnel kind of. I'm a very bad, I'm very bad at it, so pardon me. So there are a few funnels. Example, all right. Reduce the size a little bit. Okay, cool. So now you want people, for example, I'm setting up a goal. My goal is I want people to come to my home page. Okay, I want people to come to my home page, and then I want, I'm not saying how many people should jump to the next page, but at least they have to come to the service page. Okay, I want maximum people to come to service page and then go to the contact page, and from contact page directly to thank you page. Okay, what is thank you page again? Like you have must have experience, whenever you fill up a form and submit it, they take you to a page where they say thank you for submitting, we will contact you soon. That is called thank you page. So this is my goal. I have created this goal. Okay, so when I give this goal to Google Analytics, to Google, they will try to see how many members, how many people, whoever is coming and completing these steps that I have asked for. Okay, and now you must be asking me how this helps. This helps because, see, every page must have certain goal, purpose, I can say, not goal but purpose. I want people to come to home page, and I want them to go get attracted to whatever I am showing them, and directly go to the service page that I have, all the services that I provide. Okay, so this is the purpose of my home page. Now what is the purpose of my service page? Service page purpose is to get the sales done, to get the conversion done. For this conversion, I want them to come to my contact page where I have the form. Okay, where I have the form they can fill, and they can give me their details. What is this form called? This is called CTA, call to action form. Okay, I want them to fill this form and submit. Okay, I want them to click this button, submit button, so that I can immediately get the lead. We call it as lead. We get the number, and we call them, the sales team calls them to convince them to buy our product and services. This is our goal. So every page that I create should have some purpose, and because of this purpose, I can able to I'll be able to set a goal. So this goal I'll give it to the analytics tool, and they will tell me how many have completed this goal. So there can be many goals like this. This is only the one goal that I have. There can be many goals like that. So for example, this is that goal that I have given. 20.72 users have completed. 460 users have completed this goal. I want it to be 50%. So I optimize my pages and websites accordingly. All right. So this is the purpose of goals. So if you see goal flow, this one, what is happening to my goal? They are coming from direct, and they are directly going to my cart, and there are a few drop offs also. Okay, 57.3% exit, which is not good. Okay, no one is going to my billing and shipping page. That means something is not happening right over here, or maybe the product that they are buying. Okay, so either I will try to remarket these people who has come, or I will try to optimize also, or also I will try to optimize the products that I they have bought, they have kept it in the cart. Okay, so this is how analytics help, guys. This is how analytics helps. And yeah, I can't see anyone's comment, but yeah, if you have any comment and if you want to learn more, understand more about it, and how to run your business, or what happens in digital marketing overall, you can contact me or come to my page, website. uh, Website name is digitalready.co. It's not .com, but .co. You can contact me through that. You can fill the form and contact me through that. Or I am also present in all the social media platforms. Contact me, and we will try to help you as much as possible. So that's all for today. We'll see you next time. Thank you.